Tonight, it's all the talk among investors. In case you hadn't heard, Bitcoin, arguably the most volatile investment going on right now.
The largest of the so-called cryptocurrencies has been skyrocketing in value and has a lot of folks talking right now. News 5's Mark Boyle live in our newsroom watching out for your wallet. And Mark, the spike over the last 3 days is incredible as he reports to us.
That's right, Ann. It's one of the most talked about investments at the moment, and over the past few months, its rising value is astonishing.
The value of the Bitcoin is based on how many people are chasing after it or not chasing after it.
And the chase is on. Some experts saying the start of futures trading for Bitcoin is a big step toward legitimacy for the cryptocurrency that has some financial advisors shaking their heads.
They're not based on some intrinsic asset like gold or oil, and they're not based on a value established by a government.
Here's how it works. One Bitcoin is worth about $17,000 today. You could go online and legally buy with cash fractions of Bitcoins. Those can be spent in some select online areas or simply held to trade for potential profit. The warning is that many times Bitcoins are used to buy illegal activities such as hacking on the dark web.
You have this whole criminal element that's operating in the Bitcoin environment, and you start to think to yourself, well, I'm cheek and jowled now with criminals all over the world. It's a rather frightening possibility.
Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, isn't regulated either. While many predict one coin could jump as high as $50,000 per $1.
Look at the extraordinary explosion of the price of Bitcoins. You have to ask yourself a question. Is there any basis to that except a whole lot of people chasing a whole lot of expectations on something that has no real value?
Now, some experts say that the technology improvements behind the cryptocurrency makes the market much more sustainable moving into the future.
But just as with any volatile investment, there will be a correction. It's just a matter of when and how it impacts you. So as with anything, the experts say, buyer beware.
All right, technology